बाजी जो बोले सोने हाल। सात श्री अकाल। पहुंच गए यार फगवाड़े। और नहीं जी नहीं, कोई फिल्म का रोल नहीं मिला। एक सेकेंड, वो तो मेरी ये हीरो वाली एंट्री फिल्मी डेडिकेटेड है किसी को। डेडिकेटेड है बैंड बाजा ब्राइड की अगली ब्राइड को। पूछो क्यों? पूछो। वो दरअसल इसलिए कि उसकी जो लव स्टोरी है ना वो बड़ी फिल्मी है, बड़ी बॉलीवुड इंस्पायरिंग है। तो मैंने कहा जैसा देश जी वैसा भेस। अब फगवाड़े तक आए हैं तो दुल्हन तो लेके जाएंगे, है कि नहीं? दुल्हन है कौन पूछोगे नहीं? शर्म करते हो? अगली दुल्हन का नाम है हरवीन कौर बत्रा।
Hi, I'm Harveen Batra, 23 years of age, from New Delhi. I'm a पक्की सरदारनिया ठाट। एक बार जो ठान लेती हूँ वो करके रहती हूँ। Very जिद्दी and I want the best of everything for my wedding and I am the biggest fan of Band Baja Bride.
तो हरवीन कौर दिल्ली की पॉश और मॉडर्न कुड़ी। वो एक सेकेंड यार, दिल्ली की कुड़ी तो मैं फगवाड़े ची की कर रहे हैं पाजी। 2 words जी, only 2 words। कलीरा शॉपिंग। अभी हम जाएंगे बाजार हरवीन की बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ करने कलीरा शॉपिंग। पाजी चलो, देर हो जाएगी, खेती कर लो। पोते दी हट्टी कितने होगी? पोते इधर है गली में जाके सीधा जाके अंदर। थैंक यू। तरनजोत?
Yeah, hi Bharat.
सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल।
How are you?
Welcome to Fagwara.
Thank you.
I've been waiting for you forever.
देखो ये बाजार इतना फैला हुआ है कि मुझे ढूंढने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग गया।
Actually ये जो मार्केट है फगवाड़ा की ये बहुत फेमस है। People come and shop for kaliras and all the wedding, you know, the bridal shopping.
Okay, so let's get down to business.
Right.
देखें आपने क्या शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है।
You must see this one. This is the antique one.
I think this looks nice.
Right.
I kind of like this.
This one? Actually I like the pink one.
Okay. So, will it be the pink one or will it be the red one? Pink, red. Harveen, pink, red. अच्छा, हरवीन से तो हम पूछ ही नहीं सकते हैं।
Right. Actually जो कलीरे होती है ये ब्राइड खुद नहीं बाय करती, फ्रेंड्स बाय करती हैं कलीरे for the bride and we tie it to her.
So I think I will play it safe and I will go with the best friend's choice. Of course, you know her better. And the pink kaliras, it's going to be. तो टाइम नहीं वेस्ट कर दे। ते तोड़े पीछे पीछे मैं हरवीन दे कार चलना। After you.
Harveen's dad.
सत श्री अकाल सर।
She's Harveen's mom.
सत श्री अकाल आंटी। Such a pleasure to meet you too.
हम तुसी बैठो गल्ला करो। I'll just send Harveen, okay?
So uncle auntie, सबसे पहले तो मतलब it goes without saying that congratulations are in order. बैंड बाजा ब्राइड की पूरी टीम की तरफ से।
Thank you very much.
तो आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं इस वक्त?
Excited like any father would be.
Right.
Nervousness is also there.
बिल्कुल।
Because being the first wedding into the family.
अच्छा।
To that extent that how the things will go by.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
How the things will work out.
I am very very excited that the wedding is in Delhi and we are actually going to see a beautiful Gurdwara wedding this time. Right.
Hi Bharat.
Hi Harveen.
How are you?
Very well. Please come. Sit.
I was so excited to meet you.
Were you? Yes, I am for real. Yes, I am for real. Band Baja Bride is for real.
I'm feeling really. It was my dream to be on this show. Really, it was my dream.
You're happy, right? You're not sad to see me. Should I go? Can I leave? I cannot predict this.
She's the same thing. I think we call her a drama queen. हरवीन स्विफ्ट ऑफ ए सेकेंड अपना उसका मूड जो स्विंग है उसका मतलब ऑल ऑफ ए सडन बात करते करते एकदम रोना शुरू कर देगी और नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वो एकदम बोल्ड एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट, तो हम भी कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि ये बोलना क्या चाह रही है।
बड़ी फिल्मी कहानी है यार, मतलब मैं सिर्फ सुनता ही आया हूँ एंड इट्स वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल, इट्स अ वेरी बॉलीवुड स्टाइल यू नो लव स्टोरी। वो सब तो हम मतलब हुआ क्या मुझे बताओ, सहज आपसे कैसे मिला?
I met Sehaj in 2007. We both were studying finance and were batchmates.
It was orientation day. I saw Harveen entering into the room, and there and then I saw her. It was the first time I had seen her, and I never had the courage to go and say hi to her.
One of his friends told me that Sehaj likes me. And it was 24th of October 2007, midnight, we were talking. We had exams going on. I just, spoke to him and told him, Sehaj, I like you. And then he was quiet for 2 minutes and then over the phone, he just whispered that, Harveen, I love you and I want to love you till my last breath. And that was it.
The next day, I messaged her when she left from college that I love you, I miss you. And that day, the phone was with her dad, and he read the message what I wrote, and he got annoyed, and then he called me and said that this is not right.
I was not very pleased with that idea कि just at the age of 18 and to be into any such relationship. I wanted to be double sure कि ये infatuation नहीं है
जी,
कि ये with the time ऐसे नहीं है कि अभी है तो कल खत्म है ना।
जी जी।
Can I interrupt here, please?
Yes.
We have had 5 years of relationship in which 3.5 years Sehaj was in Dubai, Johannesburg. He was just traveling.
Infatuation.
When I found कि हाँ ठीक है, it was not due to the age or something.
बिल्कुल।
When I found everything was okay, then we went ahead and.
एक तरफ was your husband, दूसरी तरफ was your dear beloved daughter. What were you experiencing? I mean, turmoil, confusion. आप क्या feel कर रहे थे इस पूरे span में?
I wanted to run away from this whole situation, because if I took her stance, then he would be annoyed, and if I take his stance, then I am offending my daughter.
True.
So it was a very difficult phase for me to face. But thanks to Babaji, now everything is fine and all is happening as my daughter wants it to happen, and I can just wish her luck for her future.
So it's that time of the episode where I now take you to begin your magical transformation into the bride that you've always dreamt to be. To take you to the city of dreams, city of Bollywood, Mumbai, जहाँ पर अंबिका और सब्यसाची सर आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं. So what I'll ask is, are you ready?
Yes.
Ambika, Harveen Batra really intrigues me.
Why?
Because at 18 she decides to get married.
You can't hold it against her that she knew her mind at 18.
That brings me to the inference that either she's very sorted or she's very headstrong and difficult. So what is she like?
When I spoke to Bharat about her, he made her sound extremely Bollywood-esque. So I thought whenever I meet her, she would burst into song and dance. But when I did meet her, she seemed rather sorted, calm, content, lovely.
Fantastic.
And but I have to say, when I met her, Dr. Bhulabai's, because we had to take her there because she's been extremely conscious about her smile. I could see her love for Bollywood because she saw all the posters of all the stars who've been to Dr. Bhulabai on the wall, and she did seem a tad awestruck.
That smile there is lovely. I've always dreamt of smiling like a star, but I've always been very conscious about my front teeth, my upper jaw. I've always been very conscious about it, and today I've come to meet Dr. Sunil Bhulabhai, who's going to work his magic on my smile.
Don't worry, let's see what it's all about with your toothy smile, like you say, okay? Yes, she has these front 4 teeth looking square and so a little bit toothy. And then after the front 4 teeth, there are shadows on the corner of her mouth which need to be filled up. Once we do that, the smile will run beautifully horizontally on her oval face and complement and highlight her features to the last bit.
Sounds like a plan, Doc. And don't be nervous, I'm sitting outside, okay?
I have very carefully sculpted the front teeth to look better. And then done veneers on the teeth on the sides. To blend with the 2 prominent front teeth and then allow all the teeth to look like pretty maids all in a row. So they all flow from side to side in diminishing proportions and photographically and socially bring about that beautiful, progressive looking smile.
Are we done yet?
Can you see the excitement in her eyes?
Clearly she hasn't seen herself yet.
I haven't.
And are you dying to see yourself?
Have you met Sabyasachi yet? I think he's going to love it, and so are you. I'm sure your teeth will complement that beautiful outfit he makes for you.
Can I see my teeth, please? Oh. I'm really thankful to him for giving me this beautiful smile. I was always very shy, but now, after getting my smile enhanced, I smile like a celebrity.